What's good? Welcome back. Marvel Rivals game has some cool character designs, and they have this cool Venom, and it kind of reminds me of like Into the Spider-Verse style or something. If it was, done in that sort of animation style. So let's draw this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose. If I go too fast, very sort of spiky, angular, and we're in 3/4 pose. So head is kind of up here, right, and his back is huge. He's monstrous. He's like the Hulk, sort of. That's how big we're talking. So, we're just going to zoom into the head up here, and we'll start with these spiky eyes. So we just do a spike like that. And this goes up and spikes again. Very spiky now. Curves again. Spike. And then this comes around to the tail. This comes back. Yeah, and then we'll go this way. That kind of an eye. And if you want frowning, maybe sort of edge lines and wrinkles and all stuff like that, because he is a symbiote. So his other eye is quite small, like it's thin on the other side of his head, and it kind of like becomes the side of his head. So say if I did like just his top lip, sort of the area of his mouth here. Kind of like just goes up this way. Around for his head, and the other thinner eye is kind of just in here, right? So you got like a spike again. Goes up to another little spike here. Then around, very thin around the back of his head. And we give some sort of wrinkles and frowns and stuff. Okay, the back of his head just comes around and then joins his neck, so it doesn't even like he barely has a head. He's mostly neck. So his bottom lip comes down there, and then like the bottom jaw, real angular. A lot of angles. Comes up that way. So teeth then kind of stick out from his mouth on the bottom. So say like one there, they kind of go outward. And then here then, and we could see his gum line then. Around there, just for the rest of his teeth then. And teeth down here. One sticking out the side there, and then we'll do a few more here. Can't see his tongue in his mouth, so we'll just do some of these wrinkles on the side. Like they don't show his tongue in this picture, it's just sort of drooling pink in there. Okay. Wrinkly skin. Now, Hulk style, massive body, right? So we got like a big trapezius here, and like I guess this would be his trapezius, but it's like they do it like crazy big, like crazy big neck muscles and stuff. And then they go down this way. And then they go this way. So we have big shoulder muscle here. Center line for his chest always like joins these sort of neck muscles, right? And then the top of the chest will go up to the shoulder there, and the other side kind of joins our shoulder over here somewhere. So big chest. Going up that way. And it goes shoulder. So he's turned away 3/4, so this is like half the size of this side. 3/4 pose, so a quarter is missing, so you just 1, 2, 3. So in 3/4 pose means some of the body is like not visible or turned away, basically. So I'll just get like his belly in, I guess. And like his back is over here somewhere, like coming from his bicep, and then we got like bodybuilder kind of abs here. You know, like diaphragm sort of oblique muscles and these kind of lines for his rib cage. So we get that big shoulder now. So this is like ridiculously big. It's real bumpy, right? So how would I even? So we'll go like this way. Kind of connects with his chest. And then goes there. 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 Right, and it kind of like goes into his arm. It's kind of like a big love heart kind of shape. Like crazy big. Okay, and you got like deltoid muscles, so like these curved lines. Like so, and then bicep, and tricep, elbow, forearm there, and then like forearm muscles going and like wrapping around crazy, joining the tricep. And this should be bicep. And then shoulder on this side, so like real big. And his bicep sort of here. Like his elbow or forearm sticking out real high. Okay, huge. And then we got to do the white spider on his chest. So it's kind of classic, sort of just a big white Spider-Man thing here. So we'll go Yeah, we'll draw it in. So, because you could do it like with color, you know, you could do it just with sort of color him black and then do sort of white for that. But I guess we got to draw it in just so we know where everything is. So we have two spiky mandibles. Now these can be sort of bumpy because it's like crisscrossing his body, so they don't have to be kind of super straight or anything. Here we're just adding like 8 legs and like a belly. So let's say like it curves around here. Each of these a leg will come out from. So I'll just do that again over here. Wait, what way is that? This one curves that way, that way. And then he's got like mandible sort of body spikes or something down here. They kind of follow his ab muscles then. Right, so then you have like 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs kind of wrapping around, 2 that go around his sort of top half of his body first. And they seem to have like little extra spikes on them or something. At least I think. So this is going down right into here. And another white one going up here. And just here, spike. Bring it back in. And we go up. And some over at this side, so I'm going up here. This one goes around his shoulder. Okay. Venom from Marvel Rivals. Cool design. I kind of like the design of it. He is like crazy big, but I think it's good. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.